Welcome to PancakeSwap, the decentralized exchange that empowers users to trade and earn with ease on the Binance Smart Chain. First, let's dive into the homepage, where you'll find everything from token swaps to staking opportunities. On the left menu, access your wallet by clicking Connect Wallet. Supported wallets include MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Ensure you're on the Binance Smart Chain network to interact seamlessly. In the Trade section, you can swap tokens by selecting your desired trading pair. PancakeSwap uses an automated market maker model, so you'll always trade at the current market price. Adjust the slippage tolerance if your transaction faces delays, especially for tokens with higher volatility. Always double-check your wallet balance before confirming. Head over to the Liquidity tab to provide liquidity to token pairs. By doing so, you earn LP, liquidity provider, tokens, and a share of trading fees. These LP tokens unlock the next feature, farming. In the Farm section, stake your LP tokens in available pools and earn Cake, PancakeSwap's native token, as rewards. Carefully review the APR and impermanent loss risk for each pool to choose the best option. If you're looking for simple staking, the pool section is perfect for you. Stake your Cake to earn more Cake or other project tokens. The Auto Cake feature compounds your rewards automatically for maximum returns. Each pool clearly displays the APY, and you can withdraw anytime. Don't forget the PancakeSwap lottery and prediction markets if you want to try your luck while participating in the ecosystem. For more advanced users, the IFO, Initial Farm Offerings, section allows you to invest early in promising projects launching on PancakeSwap.ad integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Stay safe by verifying contracts and using only trusted tokens. The platform's intuitive interface and low fees make it an excellent choice for DeFi enthusiasts. Ready to take control of your crypto investments? Don't forget to sign up using my link in the description for a special bonus. If this guide helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more crypto insights.